Hello and welcome, friends. In this very short video, I'm going to show you how to make a sticker sheet inside your Goodnotes so that they'll be easily accessible. So let's go ahead and get started. This is assuming you have an iPad, iPencil, and the app Goodnotes. So go ahead and open up Goodnotes into a new page. Double click on the blue icon with the yellow star and you'll see a window pop up that's called Recents. At the bottom of the Recents page, you'll see some mini icons. Go ahead and scroll through them to the left and click on the blue circle with a plus sign. A new window pops up called New Collection. First things first, let's go ahead and give these stickers a name. Once you're done typing in the new title or name, go ahead and click on Add Photos or Import From, where you can find your stickers where you downloaded them to. Go ahead and start clicking on the stickers that you want to put into this new sticker page. Click on Add at the top right corner once you're done adding all your stickers. And then click on Create at the top right corner and wait a couple seconds and voila. And now you can start using your stickers, and you can always go back to that gold star, yellow star, and you'll see all the stickers that you saved, and they'll be easily accessible. So I hope this tutorial helped you a little bit. If you continue to have any issues or problems, please feel free to email me, leave a comment below. I'll be glad to get back with you and help you some more. Thanks, friends, and you take care and God bless.